What do you do for a living? Is it fun? If not, you might need an escape, or you might need to learn some new skills to improve your ability in business and get better successful results. You might want to enhance your abilities physically so that you feel better balanced, more mobile, and even a little bit more flexible. Well, you know how some businesses are able to multitask and do a lot of different things? Maybe you can do that a lot on your own at home. Well, that's what I do here at the Paradox Parlor. This is more of like an alternative wellness studio to incubate yourself, your future self, and upcoming business ideas that you want to do as a startup, small business, whether you're just barely surviving or you would love to be thriving. There's something for you here at the Paradox Parlor. I show people how to work out of their homes with a fun part-time job, promoting different types of services, products, and events, or people who have their own products, services, or events, but are looking for a location to produce the most spectacular, fun, private, and safe and clean environment for your events. Look no further. The Paradox Parlor is here for you. So get started by sending a message to me at Teresa at theparadoxparlor.com. That's spelled parlor, P-A-R-L-O-U-R.com. Teresa, no H. I want to hear from you. So I'm just curious. I've got a good story and it only takes a minute or two. Do you want to hear it? Cool. Okay, so it might make you a lot of money and it might not. I don't know. Everybody's different. So would it be okay if you never had to worry about where you're going to host your next awesome party for the products or services that you sell? Probably kind of freaks you out when you're thinking about going into people's homes, or you're tired of going to the same homes, or you're looking for something more exciting, something fun, something different, something that nobody else is offering. All right, so I want you to think about how much money do you make when you're hosting a party at a home? And how much money do you think you could make if the environment was elevated and a lot more fun, and there's more space for people to spread out, and lots of other fun activities and bonus swag giveaway gifts to encourage more people to attend and up the energy and encourage more people to spend happily on products that you know can benefit their life? Right? This is all sounding too good to be true, but it's not fake. This is a real thing. It's kind of like, well, you know how when you've looked at a deal that you thought was too good to be true, and then you really read into it more, and you found out that the company owner put a lot of time into researching quality products, good services that would be ideal for just a small selected group of people. And you were one of those persons, right? And you purchased it and you were really happy then. So that's what I aim to do now for a small select group of people who can unify with that open mind and an idea for what it could be to create a more successful community. Okay, so if you have wanted to explore this as an option, all you need to do to get started is to apply for free to my program using the button below, and then I will take your form and application and go through it. Then after a while, all of us are going to get together online, and there will be also in-person live studio events that you can actually come to. And we are going to start our training. Okay? Free training. Because you don't know, I know you don't know what to do. And I know you're kind of excited, but you're kind of freaking out because you're like, I don't know a lot of people. I'm really shy. I don't want to be unsuccessful, but I really want to give it a try. Sounds right about now, familiar, huh? I know, I'm right there with you. I'm super introverted, extroverted, adventurous, but oh my gosh, being around other people can be hard. I know all about that. And so that's why these events and the things that I'm putting together for you are meant for people like you and I. People who have a lot inside that we know is beneficial for someone else. If someone could just help us get it out of our own head, right? So that's the goal here. That's the goal. I want you to think about what it is, your minimum amount that you need every month to survive. And how can we create that as a reality by putting together some parties and programs together, online and in person, using the programs and tools that I know how to use for building websites, funnels, for creating massive sales online and in person, for services as well as products that are retail, wholesale, drop shipping, through your company, or something maybe even that you make personally. We can work something out, but you need to apply now by clicking the button below. Not everybody will be accepted. There's just not enough time for me to devote enough attention to each person to get the correct amount of training. So if you would like to be sponsored for free by none other than me, Teresa Ornelas, owner of the Paradox Parlor in Manteca, I want to work with you. But I'm only looking for really, really strong-willed, will-powered, wonderful, beautiful souls who are open-minded and ready for constructive criticism, ready to work and build something magnificent, major, spectacular for their life, and have a good time doing it, because we know it's hard, but we can get through it together. I want you to apply now. Click the button below and let's get started. Oh, and when you're done, please visit boomingbusinessgoals.club and enter the free sweepstakes for this month. It's ending soon, and I want you to learn all about what you can win for free at that website, boomingbusinessgoals.club, and it's going to help you personally and professionally. Share it, okay? Because even if your friend wins, you get a swag gift. Bye.